Mushun bijar khanga kauli mathada mangahan ka khami wuivang tuitak tada Muslim ngarabing business transaction masa paimra da TNL na vaw mutin ni hai. Mahar Regiment Outshot ling sun the governor winning khanga dai demand kasa sha na protest salushit hai. Leikhang Thor आज Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Chungsangla Jajo ina pami dalei pau bing mai saina nganangam sa misa katad outshot wuivang mushun bijar khanga kauli mathada manghan ka khami wuivang Muslim ngarabing business transaction masa paimra da Tangkhul naga long na vaw khamatin shokhai TNL na vaw khamatin ka shoklei hitada hang tishar now AS thot shang we mitit Tarik Magura Kanitang Assam Gajar District we Abiz Udin alias Jotu Naram Sawe Acham Aramaina Satat Haikasa Outshot we Maram Eina Culpritly Pung Hangmatida Chishat we Alungli to Kui Mikhavai Poghaina Gala Demand Pingchi Governor of Manipur Misangahaiji Kikang Hanka Kami Khalei wuivang Joint Action Committee na Tangkhul Naga Longli Yang Sang Mikhavai Poghaina Maram wuivang TNL na makok laga Tangkhul Frontal Organization Longpang Hungpung V8 Haizo JAC kala tisharwi Richum Nauping Ajahon Tarik Magada Pangatang Emergency Joint Gazip Kapamli Tuitak Tahir Tuitak Chia JAC we demand hili Governor of Manipur Kika Matay Milas Masashok Kami wuivang Maringapap Hongashok Aina Soda Mushun Masampang Rang Laka Aina Tangda Apam Hili Leida Clay Muslim Ngarabing Saikora any business transaction Masapaimara Chihaira Kali Kada Ungram Hili Pandakle Richum Now Kachikatana Hili Matung Makanda Ot Sasaka Ala Atum Lan Mitit Miyum Chili Zangada Quiragaji TNL na Hang Tuitak Chi Matang Ngaya Sailung Aina Zatna Pograda Hang Fort Mahar Regiment ning Sunda Stately Kongazar Shokta Khalei Hili Yang Sang Mikhavai Poda Civil Society Organizations Ngatateda Kangurum People's Progressive Alliance Manipur na India with Presidently Memorandum Misanghai Alliance China Union Minister Otpam Chihokhavai Governor Security Advisor to the Governor Chief Secretary Director General of Police Atumli Otpam Muena Kushokhavai Poya State identity reinstate Mikhavai Manipur with territorial integrity affirm Gasa Presidential Ordinance Kami Poya. Memorandum G PPAM with Azingli Khalei organizations Tada Shinina Migasangna. Chile All India Tanzim Insaf Manipur All Manipur Democratic Students Organization All Manipur Meitei Pangal Clubs Organization Apunba Awonba Manipur Amagidamak Committee of Peaceful Coexistence Manipur Committee on Relief and Rehabilitation Federal Students Organization Khalei Park Federation of Indigenous Peoples Democratic Movement Imagi Meira Khalei People Against Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Manipur International Youth Center Meitei Tribe Union Minority Students Association Nupi Union for Peace and Integrity, United Meitei Pangal Committee, Yal Haumi, Purup, Kala Youth Collective Manipur Hipinghi Zanga. Unchimuili Kangusung Kangaran, India with northeastern states we meet hada katomna Japanese training kuihaira. Enhancing disaster risk reduction and resilience building capacities of northeastern states of India gaji initiative azingli disaster management professionals pingchina Japanese specialized training program wazanga angaran angeji Japan International Cooperation Agency kala Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati Center for Disaster Management and Research nangashikta ngaran kamina Training je ajahon tarik thada khaniena hapokta makada kathumai tangda rungmi college zingum kathum we project we akai ka khaneng sai northeast we state disaster management authorities being we officials being disaster risks reduction we maramli advanced knowledge kala skills laying sakwai kasana northeast apam liter kapong ngalai khamin neine khangno hi kathali shokzar hauda Chikatawun Shimui Karataran Sagza Suita Kawai Practical Solutions Kala Technologies Tamjithea. JICA India Wimingin Tukuch Takurona angaran angi ishiwui aman kasak hangda training program china Japan and India we partnership kamatha chithei. Japan di tamkhui ghai china state level di disaster risk management maling mai khangsak mang maningla CDMR IIDG hi capacity development la regional collaboration with kamataya pam sada maling mai renuda takurona hang. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science JNIMS resident doctors bring the protest sada emergency services boycott sadalai strike asaji postgraduate course fee matai sang kahili makhamaya phongshokna administration na fee aman kakaji mangi mana da doctor pingdina tai makara akathang routine service boycott sapoka pau atishude 3-year postgraduate course tuition fee chi lupa lakh aka legisawi ena lupa lakh kathum ka hawa college October 2022 batch pingwe ena pergapokna fee matai kasangji mangi mana the Resident Doctors Association RDN original fee structure shurkhavai poy ka atam mighai witili khika khangajai mara to the RDN protest pangmai the emergency services kampok kahainaji RDN healthcare dagar ka sath heimida strike salala urgent salak ghai pingleva yangsang mirag ji hang Rida we aman original fee structure chili mahan ungrang lakha aina tangda Dr. Pingna strike samara chihaya. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Nathum statewide agitation mi shashana protest salui hire. Aya protest kasami shashana tirim rod pamli Governor Delhi Wena Kongaraya. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala ayang ushun Delhi Wena Imphal Ungzanga. Ka Governor na Shongfu Chishongji Mavala Airport li Army helicopter tongkuida Kangla Fort Vahawa. Tarik magkatang shiri lili panit wuivang zat kasa gwal tapi pamni kushok MST bus eina Mahar Regiment personnel outshot Manipur aming sakham kawai kahang chili magkamaya gogomina 48 hours total shutdown saghai witili ajahon Raj Bhavan Gedi protest basalaga ayala protest chi kasana. Governor Bharana Delhi official odd leida achon tarik magkana akatan vaghaina. Governor na yari ling zekhavai shongfa magakui wuivang gogomi wimipingna ningyang makaung pongshok. Gogomi women wing convener arget harak sana naghang Governor na yarili masampangakui shongfa jili magazachi anakayon leghai jithei. Itumi protest mangasamara Governor na achi yarili masamgapangchi maili taura hegasang sahaira. Itum konzar rot marat kangai ningrin malaymana. Democratic apongaina kangavaw na the Gokomi Women Wing Convener china hang. Aya Assam Rifles kala Rapid Action Force zang the security shalakay na Imphal Airport to Raj Bhavan kilometers tharug tidim rotli haimia. Protest kasa chili katam nauping shinausan wi grouping zang the Manipur wi majuts hi suyung suwa masapay mana. Governor na Manipur wi mipingli ning natay palungra gaji ngavaw. Imphal West District Kwakaitel Shong demonstrators pingchina Raj Bhavan Vakavai Kasali Security Forces na Kamhawa. Protest chi Bishnupur District Shong la Ningthau Khong kala Morangli Khuikai. Tangnawbal District Shong Timber Pungjat Kasa Garita ka Manipur Police kala paramilitary forces na tukui hire. Assam Rifles na Paumig Shok Atishuda illegally transported timber lupa 3.10 crore shikawi to Kakwina. Timber 610 tons kada pungjat kasa gari hang tharukta aga ajahon tarik magkadag tumthang tukhuya. Motor Vehicles Act 2019 kala Manipur Forest Rules 2021 with azing the legal proceedings hapok hairichi. Tukhui high timber kala kari pingchi Teknaubal Police Station ni Misanghaya. Thingchi kichiwi aina kali phungba khawai kasa kala phashok khawai sadalei giji official na hang. Ting pingji Myanmar we aina khuigshok ka katha khala yang dalei da hang. Ari tumne advertisement akang nangumsa. Ukhrul District Civil Pensioners Welfare Association we kajishat leili. Association hiwi mi phuk jivali hitada jithaili gijia. Ajukum 2025 we April kaying thada phanga thanghon we annual assembly li yarina tag hai tutak atishurda thuig hai zingkum ping we subscription lupa shapanga ripchi ara mangshai limara ajugum 2025 we ena hapok da kathar ena lupa shapanga rip ngshai haura Chi rak ragajang June mikhavai Amei ragagap atam li hitharan miserdo. Kangashai mi ping Treasury Office li pamsara kachigta Civil Pensioners ne Association hili mingjan kuika Jajo lupa shapanga eina kui papamra. Chili lang the kachigta na all Manipur State Pensioners we eina identity card singa Jajo chiwi ngatay da lupa shakani zangra. Chitaga total chi lupa shashini shokra. Kachishat ki Association chiwi General Secretary Solomon A. Shatsangna mishoka. Lut luida chiwi kamtai paubing. Mushun bijar kangakauli matada mangahan ka kami wuivang tuitak tada Muslim naubing business transaction masapay mrada TNL na vau mutin mihaya. Mahar Regiment Otshot ling sun the governor winning kangaday demand kasa shasha na protest salushit haya. Achu pau hiling ngachang haya pau nganada klay natum saikorali ring kapaka la kamahaya zimik show masaserna.